How we doing, folks? James Potter here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. And today I have this absolutely stunning 201 BMW X5 xDrive30d Sport SUV. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the iconic BMW kidney grille with the high gloss black trim finish. The front LED headlights. This X5 is also equipped with the M Sport aerodynamic body kit. You have the front M Sport bumper with the front parking sensors. From to the side you have the upgraded alloys. 22-inch BMW spoke alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue M Sport brake caliper. You have the high gloss finish trim around the windows, the privacy glass in the rear spoiler and the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW xDrive30d badging, the rear LED taillights, the massive twin exhausts, the rear parking camera and the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. This X5 is also equipped with a automatic trunk. Just click the key fob and it should pop right open. You also have the tailgate. It just opens with a click of the button here. And you can also lower the suspension from the back of the car pressing this button. And of course it's the 7-seater X5. You can easily just drop the seat. To control the second row of seats, you can also drop them just using a click of a button back here, and the seats will automatically fold down. To give you even more trunk space. You also have the parcel shelf included. To close the trunk, it's a simple click of the button up there. You have fully electric rear seats and fully electric front seats. So let's take a look at the interior and some of the spec on board this X5. Now, as expected, you have the fully digital cockpit with real-time travel information, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel with features such as speed limiter, cruise control with brake function, voice control. You also have the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. Or if you want to quickly access some of the features on board the teleservice, you can use the iDrive system. You also have the 360-degree parking sensors and the parking cameras. The interior comes in a black individual leather with an M Sport stitching, also an M Sport stitching on the seat belts. Surrounded by a platinum trim finish alongside customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in M Sport blue, but you can choose from a range of different colors. You also have fully electric mirrors, fully electric seats, fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, enhanced Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated seats, a Sports, Comfort, Eco Pro and adaptive mode. You can also change the height of the car. Automatic transmission, the BMW SOS service system, the BMW SOS pedestrian safety system, and many other extras. Now folks, like I said, that was just a very, very quick look around this 201 BMW X5 xDrive30d M Sport SUV. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching.